What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to discover another amazing African startup doing some wonderful things out there. So today we are discovering Gozem. And so Gozem, what is Gozem? Well, let's check it out. So Gozem is Africa's super app, operational across Francophone West and Central Africa. We provide various on-demand transportation, delivery, and cashless payment solutions in one app to hundreds of thousands of users in the region. So as you can see from this map, this is where they operate, basically over all of Central and West Africa. And so what is their story? You can check out their story. Launched in 2018 in Togo with the conviction to bring world-class digital services to underserved populations in West and Central Africa. So the privilege, simplicity, safety, and reliability. You can equally check out the app on the Play Store and on the App Store. And so here are the different countries in which they operate. You can find a ride with them in these countries. You have these different countries. You can check them out. And so what are their services? Ride hailing, grocery delivery, food delivery, logistics and other e-commerce services, digital wallet, and cashless payments. How much does a ride with Gozem app cost? Well, you can select the country, you can select the location and the destination, and they're going to give you the different options which are available. Yeah, so that's pretty much Gozem. You have a press and media section on your website where you can see what different publications in which they appeared. You equally have the help section and maybe careers as well. Okay, different positions they are offering. You can definitely check that out if you're looking for jobs in those countries. Yeah, so let's just come back to their website. There's a drop down here which allows you to select the specific country you are in. We are going to go ahead and select Cameroon. And so this redirects us to a different website where we get to see the designed services for that specific country. I was just surprised not to see something like Nigeria. I guess they are not there yet. So everything you need in one app, Africa's super app, all your services in one click. Order your desired vehicle, recharge your wallet, and pay without cash. And so I guess they're trying to aim to really build a super app which has tons of features in there. And so let's go ahead and check out that app on the Play Store. So what we'll see is that they have over 1 million downloads, which is really nothing small. And if you see some of the interfaces of the app, you can see ride sharing, or maybe, sorry, delivery sharing. I don't think they offer ride sharing services. Transport in one click. Oh, they do offer ride sharing. Yeah, so this is a ride sharing feature. Food delivery features as well. If you'd like to order some food, you can easily do that through that app. You can easily buy tickets and sell tickets, I guess. Buy tickets for a bus transport. You probably have a wallet where you can store your money on there. You can equally buy credits easily. And so those are just some of the features they offer. So as you can see, we have a company out there who is trying to create a super app which allows you to do a whole bunch of things on there. So you have different things. As you can see from this image, you can do e-commerce, you can do ride sharing, you can do deliveries, and you can do many other things on there. So wow, this is definitely a company you should really keep in mind, or you should keep at the back of your mind. You're trying to do something really innovative and something really big. Yeah, so definitely check them out at gozem.co and get a feel of their app and if they provide the services you are interested in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.